Hey, good morning, students. Today we are going to take a class for grade 3 Fun with Numbers, chapter 2 Characters. Sunil, Gauri, Radhika, Indra, Vicky. These are the characters involved in this chapter. This is your NCERT book for grade 3 chapter is Fun with Numbers. You can able to see the students. The children were playing in the garden. So the names are Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil. They were collecting seeds, tamarind seeds. So Radhika, she says, I have picked 24 seeds. Vicky is saying, I think I have collected 42 seeds. Gauri, she says, hooray, I got 47 seeds. Sunil, he says, here are 38 seeds. And Indra, she says, I got 54 seeds. Okay. Dash collected the most seeds. Sunil will collect dash more seeds equal to a Vicky. So, if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. How many children have more than 40 seeds? Dash need 3 more seeds to have 50. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and dash has 2 seeds more than 40. Indra, she collected the most seeds. So Indra, she has collected the more seeds compared to others. Next, Sunil will collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. How 4 more seeds? Vicky's seeds is 42 and the Sunil seed is 32. So 42 minus 38 is 4. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. She has 24 seeds plus 6 is 30. How many children have more than 40 seeds? They are mentioned as 3. Who are there? Gauri, Indra and Vicky. Next, dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Gauri, so she has 47 seeds plus 3 is 50. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Vicky has 2 seeds more than 40. So Sunil, what Sunil is having? He is having only 38 seeds, so it is less than 40. And Vicky, he had 42 seeds, it is more than 40. Next, dot the game. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your games. Play this game with your friends by making circles. See who can guess the best. Can you guess the number of dots on me? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, he is having totally 16 dots inside that circle. So you can also make a circle among the dots and you can do this activity. Next, Dhoni's century. One day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. So there was a match going on between India and South Africa. Dhoni is playing a match. So India was playing first. They are doing a batting. Can you see? Now Dhoni on 96. Only one ball is left. Will he complete his century? And look at this. What a marvelous 6. So Dhoni has scored 96 runs till now. How much runs did he needs? So fill in the blanks. Dhoni scored 96 plus dash equal to dash runs. How many runs do these players need to complete a century? Player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4. Player 1 runs is 93, 2 is 97, 3 is 89 and 4 is 99. Runs needed to complete a century. So what is meant by century? Century is nothing but it is an 100. Other words for 100 is century. So Dhoni scored 96. So 96 plus 4 is 100 runs. How many runs do these players need to complete a century? 93. Player 1, how much he scored? He has scored 93. How much runs he need? 7 runs. So 93 plus 7 is 100. 97 plus 3 is 100. 89 plus 11 is 100. 99 plus 1 is 100. Have you understood? Next, see here. After 99, we go on like this. So fill in the blanks. Number in figures. What they have given? 99. Number in words. So 99, Nintey, 99, 100. So ONE1, HUNDRED, 100. 101, ONE1, HUNDRED, ONE1. So you have to mention it for 102. So they have given for 103, 104 like this. So you have to complete this worksheet. Next, 195. ONE1, HUNDRED, 100. NINE, 9. TY, 90. FIVE, 5. So you have to complete this worksheets. Next, top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. So the players, who are the players? APJ, AS, CK, DM, KSP, MD, PK, ST, TPK and BBS. The scores were given here. 128, 100, 99, 162, 152, 178, 105, 141, 112, 127. So they have given the scores. Yes. So we need to answer for this question. CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? So how many runs he need? He needs only one run. So CK, how much he has scored? He has scored 99. Next, dash and dash scored almost equal runs. AS and CK. What is the AS? AS is 100 and CK is 99. Next, dash scored a complete century. No less, no more. AS. What is the AS? He has secured 100. Next, most runs scored by the batsman are MD, 178. Next, dash and dash have a difference of just one run between them. That is VVS and APJ. VVS has scored 127, here 128. So just only one run. Next, dash scored two more than 1.5 century. 1 century is equal to 100 and 1.5 century is 120. So the answer is KSP. KSP has got 152. So 152 is a half century. 50 they will say half century. Have you understood, students? So today we have learnt about the fun with numbers. So worksheets have been given. So please complete it, dears.